Hello fellow Hallyu lovers, we are all multi-stands here. So starting out with this video, we would love to speak more about other artists and will need your support. Comment down below which other K artists would you like us to swoon over next. Enjoy the video.
Getting into K-pop itself, like it was like a completely new universe, and then they had their own universe. So that was like a completely different. Now they have their own castle, the
Producing
BTS.
the song in a garage and now it's like high level. Oh my god.
Yeah. One thing I can say is the new fans have a lot to.
Oh yeah, definitely. Like people who are gotten in like the dynamite.
This era, yeah. Really
Fire. I got through Fire, so I was like, what is this? And then they were listening to Dope, and I was like, what is this song? Walls of the mirrors with papers. When their entire dancing room, their practice room was flooded with water, and yet they were working hard. Like, and if we talk about like each person, everybody's so distinctive, and yet they are like, when they come together, the harmony, the synergy that they have, it's just something different. Like each member, if we talk about like, hours, but
That's another thing that they really showcased very well. It's like they had this thing that from the start, everybody is a work partner here, but they didn't have that thought process. They're like, we're brothers for life.
family.
Yeah, we're a family. We have to show, and they literally show that to us.
Yeah.
and then they obviously had fights. They always mention about they've had fights. Everybody does, and they are very so open about it that we've had fights and we've gotten over it.
Yeah.
And they show the method how they've gotten over it,
Exactly.
like talking about it through their films and like through so many other things. They've been like very obvious about the thing that we are just like you, and that has made us all the more relate to them.
Exactly. Which is why we like them even more now.
Yeah.
Like, even if BTS is a group, there is
Individuality.
I'm so sorry.
That's right. But yeah. You're
So
right.
like even their solo things, like when they do go into solo things, like for example, like for the rap team, like the three rappers, they've released their own music mixtapes.
Oh yeah.
And yet, whenever they speak about it, they're like, no matter what, when it comes to BTS will always be a top priority.
Yeah.
That reminds me of when Bangshuk asked Namjoon.
Yes, the brag.
He did not even hesitate.
And
Yeah.
I was
Straight
so
up said,
furious at that moment. I was like, why would you do that
Yeah.
to him?
But that just
Yeah, that
shows
just
the-
showed his
Yeah,
I like the reaction, like when the members were listening and they're like, oh,
Yes.
Grace had the group, that's
Like,
right.
I'm sure they did not have any doubt about that, but
Yeah, but
his
it's still just
confirmation.
sure that-
Yes.
they knew that he would choose them no matter what.
Yes.
They had that,
It just shows their love.
That's
Careful.
just, but even with something that's very unique with them is that like even the leadership, like usually in South Korea you're supposed to give the eldest the
Yes.
leader, but like they gave RM because he'd have someone
lean
to
on.
like lean on,
Yeah.
like Jin.
Yes.
And that kind of dynamic that they've had is very beautiful to see. Because RM is like a very reclusive, very
Yes.
introverted, like, and he was the only one who could speak English at that point. So imagine like having no one to talk to if you're the oldest person there. The fact that Jin is there is another thing that a lot of K-pop groups have also, like even with Enhypen and all, well, they have the younger ones to
Younger
be the leader. So that the older one at least will have someone, like the younger ones have the older ones to be with.
Yeah.
I think that's
And
it.
that obviously does not, that also helps in the way that the elder one is not getting all the pressure on him.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Like being, especially knowing, how much we know of Korean culture, there's always sort of a pressure that you are eldest, you have to
Yes.
lead
Yeah.
the. And now that they don't have it, it has all settled down for them in a way, that has brought them together, and that's keeping them forward, keeping them going.
Yeah, like the elders too, they also kind of help him out in
Yes.
terms of like other section, like with producing and all. RM can lean on Suga for all these
Yeah.
things, and the rest everything with Jen and
Yeah.
even J-Hope,
For advice and everything.
same year aged
Yes.
friend, So it's kind of cool like that when they have, and he never takes the credit by himself. He's
Yeah,
always
of course.
sharing it with
Yeah,
people. and
even when the
that's
members
just-
are like, you did something. For example, like the UN speech, like the
Yeah,
English
yeah.
one that he
Yes.
gave, we were like, you did everything. He's like, no. Every time he talks about it, it's like, it's
Yeah.
because of you guys
You
that I
guys.
could do it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And like the second time, everybody was so happy that, they could speak in their own
yeah.
language, when instead in the first step it was only RM. So that just like, you know, they've gone from, you know, like we previously talked about, they've gone from just like one room,
Yeah.
and now they're speaking at like UN. So
I
it's like
know.
such a big
That
deal.
kind of leap is just magical, and you know, a lot of people have said, you know, like why does BTS have so much as compared to other K-pop groups? And I feel like it's not because they have something that other people don't. I feel like they're able to, you know, show their talent in such a manner that, you know, everyone else can see.
Yeah, and that has only helped, like, you know, that has only given a door, like opened a door for like so many other things. Like even fans who were initially, you know, very reluctant to get into these things, now they are. Now the entire world is getting opened up to, you know, a bigger platform, you know, a bigger, I would say Pandora box of, you know, what is happening, and like there's so much more to discover, so many more groups to discover.
Yeah.
And that is just the easing them into, you know, getting
Yeah.
into one group and then, you know, eventually moving on to other groups. And I'm sure a lot of people will relate with me when I say this, that, you know, it is one person that you get through it, but now that you are, you know, exposed to so many of them, I'm sure everybody must have found their own one, you know, safe corner.
Yes.
For some it might be BTS, for some it might not be.
Right.
So like, you know, that has just helped other people also to find their own safe corners, I would
Yeah.
say.
And it's also not like not the other K-pop groups, they don't get that much hype or anything. It's nothing like that. So
Yeah.
you know, once you get a kind of a hit song out, people like it. There's a lot of views onto one music video. Every group has gotten that point. But you know, to live up to that hype each
Yes.
and every time, that's kind of tough.
And they've
Very
kept,
tough.
kept
And many
going
have
for like
failed
8
at that
years.
point while they kept on doing that.
Yeah.
So you give them something, you give the other group the same kind of thing, you know. You'll polish it once, you'll make it proper to 100%. They always try to do it at 200 and
Yeah,
more
yeah.
so. Each and every time. You think once you're at this point where you're literally on the top of the world, you know, fame gets to people's head all the
Right,
time,
yeah.
right? But them being the same that they were back in
Yes.
2013, 2014, that's just commendable, I think.
I just
Yeah.
feel like because they appreciate what they are getting.
Oh,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah, they appreciate a lot. There was like, there was a video when, you know, they went to this hustle kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There also there was a small clip where they were taught to appreciate. I guess they are still, you know, keeping that
Yeah,
thing in their mind.
That's
That was so bad, but they are still keeping the same
Even
thing
like
in
when
their
you
mind.
find like small clips, you know, of like, obviously we all discover things all the time, like when they're at press conferences, I remember one of these things, all of them just sat down on the ground.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
the
Just to
Halsey
ensure.
Halsey wala thing. I guess.
Yeah, and also like, you know, there was I think it was the answer press conference or something, and then they were like, all of them sat down just so the reporters could see
the
the
screen,
screen.
yes.
So that was like, so obviously like you would expect, you know, like the group to move to another place, or like, you know, you would expect them to not probably sit down on the floor, like being BTS, but then they're humble, and you know, fans appreciate that, and I'm sure like everybody appreciates that.
Yes.
So,
It's not just their looks.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
not.
It's definitely not just their looks.
Yeah.
Like, let's
Yeah.
be very clear about that.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah, it helps,
It
but
helps.
like.
Yeah, it
it's
helps.
the pointer because like
They are obviously
but then
really
again, Korean
handsome.
guys are
Korean
cute.
guys
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, like I would not say that's like
So that's
something
definitely not the selling point that literally
Definitely.
not
Yeah,
everyone
that's
hooks to that.
another like you mentioned selling point. I would say is their lyrics.
Oh, definitely.
course.
I do not remember the number of times I've cried,
Cried
like
because
you know, listening to 2-3, like
Dude, this song
like
is
the
Even
way.
Spring Day. Like
Oh,
Spring Day
yes,
makes me
Spring Day.
butterfly.
Oh.
Butterfly.
But
Yes.
that's also good. Yeah.
I like just these songs, like, you know, they take you back to the first time, you know, every time, like whenever I listen to these songs, I'm taken back to the first time I listened to them, and I'm like, things have changed so much, but the song is the same, and like, you know, every time somehow it holds a different meaning for me. Like, and the songs, like, they're just like, even 2-3, they've like, I probably like, you know, got so much connected to them probably because of their fan song more than any other song.
Yeah.
Because they're like 1, 2, 3, it's okay.
Yeah.
And like
Yeah.
that just, it was like, it's so simple.
Even for me, it's like when I'm having a hard day and it's 0 o'clock. That's the song.
Oh,
I
yes.
I need to listen to that before going to bed.
It really resets the day, you know, like really,
It
like,
really does. Yeah.
and other, like, even like, you know,
The bulletproof
yes,
song.
yes,
Eternal,
Eternal, yes,
Eternal.
oh
Yeah.
god, yes.
That video was so cute.
Yeah, the
I
animation.
literally teared up when I was watching it. It was
Cute.
so
Yeah, they've
cute.
taken everything to like Tiny Tan also.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love Tiny.
And like
I
Zen
love
BT21.
Yeah.
There is like like, so they started off like 7 guys, but now there's like 100 different things
Yeah,
that they've
yeah.
started.
Oh,
Like I
yeah.
can see BT21 on everything now.
And they also keep showing that, you know, that they've really gotten to this point, like even through their lyrics, like this, at first it was good lyrics, but now if you even look at the cipher, how the ciphers have grown.
Yes.
Like,
Oh,
and
yeah.
then, what's the song? Oh my god, I forgot the song.
It's okay.
Which one is that? Where he showed, Anand showed like a lot of wordplay with the song. Which one was it?
There are so many.
Oh
Yeah,
my
I'm like,
God.
which one do you want? There's like
Oh my
10
God.
in my
You guys speak, I will
But
speak
I
about
would
it.
just like, okay, so he mentioned RM's this thing, no? So save me and I'm fine.
Oh,
Yeah.
such-
Save me.
it's
Like
so
the-
smart.
I was like, dude, I know you're a genius, but like that just reinstated. Like that was just
Yeah,
like
the font, like
something.
when they twisted, and I'm like, oh
And
my
they
the
just
lyrics
God, that
same,
was
like
so
they
good.
just same tune and just go faster when they start a new song. So how do you do that?
Yes,
how,
and
how do
it
you
like-
think
And
that?
even the choreography, the start,
Yes.
the sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, like
Yeah,
very
I
hard,
know,
it's
I
very
know what you're talking
We
Yeah,
about.
was, he was there. They,
it's very complicated.
Yeah, they're
J-Hope
holding-
like
they're
holds him
holding
up
it.
like
Yes.
that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's like,
Imagine the pressure on him, like, you know, he's holding him up, and yet they like executed it so perfectly
Yeah.
every
Yeah,
time.
even when they showed like, even they are so particular about the dance moves. Like
Yes.
when V and Jin got into a fight
Fight,
because of that, you
yes.
know,
Oh,
like
yeah.
they could
That's-
not match the time properly.
And every time they mistake, like they make a mistake, they're like J-Hope.
J-Hope.
yeah, they
J-Hope's
get
just
scared. They're like,
looking, he knows.
And
Yeah.
then he does not say anything. They keep looking at him. They're
they
like,
know
he's got
he's
it.
watching. Yeah, he's watching on
And like that just, that's another thing, you know, they are like, our dance leader is somebody else. So when it comes to dance, they look at J-Hope and they are like, J-Hope will, you know, is the one to go for it. Like,
Yeah.
and he keeps repeating it for like people who know, who may not be as fast as,
Yes,
fast as
yes,
everybody
yes.
else.
Yeah.
So they have these, you know, sort of roles which
Yes.
are like defining them, and then they all take care of it. Like individually, like Jimin is probably like taking care of everybody's
Everyone's
birthdays.
Yeah.
it's like the age. Like,
Yeah, literally the angel. So
Jungkook is there to save them when there's insects or anything or
yes.
they're like, go help
here,
us.
take the chairs
Yeah.
if you want.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get it.
All manpower work has been handled by Jungkook.
And then like they
Yeah.
just, and then at the same time the dynamic between Jin and Jungkook is like you would not expect, like they have a 5-year
Yeah.
distance.
Exactly. And the oldest and youngest, that whole, you know, that dynamic that they have over there is so different.
That's
So,
It's so funny to see them together though.
Like even yesterday I saw the Bangtan mom and they were like fighting
yes, for the ice.
and RM was like, and I was like, same.
I'm the leader. Okay?
He's like, why am I leading these
I
people?
really like that about Jin, that even though he's the oldest, he does not like really put the authority out there. Ki I'm the
Yes.
oldest. Respect.
He
Yeah.
mentioned it previously, you know, he was like, there is nothing to be, you know, strict with about them. These
Yeah.
guys are already good at what they do. I don't
Exactly.
need to be strict with them.
True.
And then, you know, like when it comes to Sugar, like he is like, people would find him like he is introverted. I'm like, no, you know nothing.
Yeah,
You just
exactly.
get
You
to
Yeah.
know
don't know
him.
anything about him.
That guy will like, he's friends with so many other artists. Like he just, and he's other like, apart from BTS also, what he's doing, like
Yes.
collaborating with so many
Solo
other
things.
people. Like he started off with like, just like, you know, sending out music and, you know, selling off his
Selling off,
music.
yeah.
Yes.
And now he's become like one of the most wanted
Wanted.
producers.
Oh, yeah.
True.
From an underground rapper to.
You know what?
wanted
Yeah,
producer.
Yeah.
definitely.
And also, I really, when I saw the side of Sugar during that run episode, where they were all in the historic outfit,
Oh, yeah.
and he had to be quiet, so he kept doing this. It was
I
so
just love that.
cute.
When he wore the Jin ka this thing, what's his
Uh,
BT21 character name?
Yeah.
RJ.
RJ,
Yes,
RJ.
RJ character. When he wore that in the Run
Yeah.
BTS episode, and he was just sitting there. And these guys are like always like they, you know, harass him, and then he's just sitting there quiet. Anytime
Yeah.
Jungkook comes to him, he's like, you know, hitting him. He's fine with
He's
it.
fine with it. So
He just
much
wanna let it be.
patience. Oh my god.
Yeah, his patience is like at par at all times. I don't know where he gets it from,
He's
but
like those caring dads which won't show affection face pay.
Yeah.
Like there is a video like
Yeah. When
yeah. And but then when it
That
comes to
one.
fans, he's the opposite.
he's the
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he is like that day he posted villain, And then everybody started commenting, and then J-Hope is like cute villain. And I was like, that just like shows how they are sweet.
They're just. I remember the song now. It's Deng.
Oh,
The way
they
they
stuck
play
that one.
Why
Oh,
would
wow.
they release Deng everywhere? Like the world is just waiting for Deng, and it will like break so many records. Like they might as well just release it everywhere.
I know.
Yeah, exactly.
Like it's not just about the diss part, probably it's also about how they own up to what they are in
What
that
they
song,
are, yeah.
and they are
The
like
confidence,
Deng, and that just hits me
You know,
every
if you
time.
just listen to the song, it just seems like a
Diss,
normal
yeah,
song.
normal.
But when you actually listen to the lyricality behind it, it's like
Understand the song.
it's mad.
There's like so many other songs like which probably like there's ciphers obviously like we talked about, but then even like smaller like simpler songs where like we mentioned Butterfly, we mentioned other songs also, and these songs like I'm Fine, Save Me, these just like bring together these small things like 4 o'clock. Oh yes, I was trying to think about 4 o'clock. From a fight to a song, like that just
Yes.
escalated really quickly.
quick.
And
I
that
know.
was like, and now that like 4 o'clock, now we has gotten into his thing, where he's writing and he's producing,
Yeah.
and he's like,
We're waiting for his mixtape to come.
yes,
Yeah.
we've all
Last 2 years we've heard the same thing, but it's not
like
happening.
when Snowflower came out, I think, and I was expecting like something. His mixtape would probably drop,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
Jimin
yeah.
dropped a song at the same time. So I was expecting, like, where is the mixtape? I've been waiting for.
Exactly.
Then JJK1. I'm like, Jungkook, release it already.
They are so perfectionist, they won't, they'll take time.
So I would say like we could go on about this for
On and
hours
on.
probably.
Yeah.
But
literally.
like when we come like to the end of it, it is I think their honesty, it is their dedication and their
Yeah.
passion towards their work is what brings us together.
True.
The honesty, simplicity, whatever, dedication, love for the fans.
Yeah,
That's so
is-
important.
It's like we go hand in hand, and I guess that's the reason why BTS is BTS right now.
Yeah.
As long as they show the love they have for the fans and for themselves, among themselves, I think this fandom will just keep growing and
yeah.
growing and growing. Literally. Yes.
Yes.
Proud to be an army.
Yeah. Proud to be an
Yes.
Well, yeah, so that's it for today's video, and we talked so much about BTS, and we can go on and on and on because it's BTS and ARMY, and we'll be back again next week with few more interesting topics. So yeah, until then, Jamshivan Kidare Chuseyo.
Annyeong.